Hey, so I just got back from babysitting my friend's son, and he's so adorable and so cute, and I've seen him grow so much. But while I was there, I got huge case of the hiccups, like big, huge hiccups. You know the kind, the kind of hiccups. And while I was holding him, he was looking up at me like he'd never heard that sound before. And I don't think he'd ever heard hiccups before because he was giving me that baby/puppy inquisitive look. You know the one, the head cocked to the side and eyebrows raised like, hmm? So then that got me thinking, this isn't the worst time that I've had the hiccups. And I get the hiccups, I guess, more than normal people. I get them a lot. And it reminded me of the times that I've gotten them in the worst places. Like the time I got them during a really hard and really important final. I'm really sorry. Then there's that time at summer camp when I had to discipline and give a lecture to a bunch of rowdy 11-year-old boys. Guys, this is serious. You can't go around asking all the younger kids if they want a deadleg, even if you think it's funny. Do you understand me? It's not funny. You hiccuped. I'm serious, boys. If you keep trying to give deadlegs to the little kids, then you guys are going to have to go to the office. But I think the most awkward time for me when I got a bad case of a hiccup fit was when I was at a restaurant and a foot next to me, the couple was having a DTR talk and I kept hiccuping in between them. I'm so glad that we're going out again. So, like, do you think that we're serious?
Oh, yeah, I'm glad you brought that up because I've been wanting to, talk about that.
Seriously? You've been thinking about where this relationship is going too?
Cause I want to, if like, you, but...
I'm...
Dude, seriously, waiter.
So those are my most awkward hiccup moments, but I think it's okay. I mean, the couple ended up not having their DTR conversation in the middle of a restaurant, Hopefully they did it in their car or walking along outside. I don't know. I still felt really bad. I kept mouthing sorry, but I don't think they were amused at all or accepted my mouthed apologies. Couple, if you're out there, I'm sorry.